What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. So we're going to go take a ride. But I want to show you something. This machine is between 1995 and 98. And according to that code, I guess this thing is from 97. So, and as the code shows here, yeah, I would say 1997. So, a 97 yard machine by MTD. Okay, let's see if they'll start without the choke here. There she goes. All right, let's go take a ride. We are just going to go off the road. All right. Okay. 97 yards from 1997. I mean, it runs loud, but it sounds pretty good. Filled her up. All right. Awesome stuff. All right. Hey, it's good. Here we are. Sorry about that. Slow it down. Roll the speed bump here. All right, here we go. And then I'm going to put my battery on the preserver while I'm gone. The motor will not start without choke, but that's okay. Out. Okay. Nice little yard machine mower ride for you. Mower's been set for a while from what the former owner said. Runs pretty good. Pretty good. All right. Doesn't track straight, but pretty good. There we go. Don't sound bad at all. I mean, pretty good riding mower. There we go, tracking straight. But yeah. Or I can take up to the voting thing next year if we're still living here. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, just go, dude. We are tracking in a straight direction now. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll see y'all next time. And as always, before I go, I just want to remind y'all that Jesus loves you and God bless everybody.